In this video, we will learn how to perform division and long division. So let's start with this example. We have 623 divided by 7. So this is another format that you can write, and this is how we perform division. So let's start dividing it now. So the first digit that we see is 6. Can we divide 6 by 7? The answer is no. So we need to take one more digit. It's going to be 62. What is 62 divided by 7? We can always go back to the multiplication table. So 1 times 7 is 7, and 2 times 7 is 14, and so on until we reach our closest multiple of 7 to 62. So 8 times 7 is 56, and 9 times 7 is 63. Now if we take 9 times 7, if we take 9, it's going to give you 63, but we only have 62. So we always choose the number which is less than what we have. So here 56 is the closest number, and we have 8. So 8, and we write 56 here, and now we minus the remaining number. So 62 minus 56, and that is 6. Okay, so 6. Now we bring the next digit down, so 3 is going to come down. Now what is 63 divided by 7? We already have that, and that is 9, and now we have 0 as our remainder. So this is also very important, that the remainder is 0 here, this one, and the final answer is 89. So what does 89 mean? 89 basically means 89 times 7 is equal to 623. Let's move on to more examples. Here in this example, we need to divide 2178 divided by 66. So now let's start. So obviously we cannot divide 2 by 66, 21 by 66. So we need to take the first 3 digits, which is 217. Now even me, I don't know what is the what multiplied by 66 is closest to 217. So here we can just write 66, and then next to you know what, I'll write the entire thing. 2 times 66 is 132, and 132 plus 66 is gonna be 8, 9, and 1. So 3 times 66 is 198. Now of course this should be the closest number, because if we multiply another 4 times 66 is gonna be way larger than 217. So let's write 3 here and 198. Perform minusing it now. So 0, break 1 here, 2, 9. Okay, so 9 here. We need to carry another 1 here. 1, 0. And now we bring the other 8 down. So what is 198 divided by 66? That we already have, so that is going to be 3. Now we can just write this and make it 0 here, and yeah, so 33 is the final answer. Let's move on to another complex example. So here we have a huge number divided by 69. So let's write the multiples of 69 first, because I also don't know them, so it will be more easier, because of course we need to know the exact number. 2 times 69 is gonna be 138, I think. Yeah, 3 times 69 is 138 plus 16. I think this should be enough for now till 3, and if we need more multiples then we'll just continue on. So first of all it's going to be 3, 207, and now just minus this is going to give you 3 and 5, so 8 here, and we bring this down. Now this is going to give what is 82 divided by 69 is going to be 1, and now minus 69, and this is 3 and 1. Now bring this down. So 138 is times 2, So the final answer is 312. And we can just do this to show the final working. And yeah. Now let's move on to our last example. It's a huge number divided by 999. So first step again is just to write the first four maybe multiples of 999. So let's do that. 1 times 999 is 999. I'm just gonna skip it to the multiples. So here are the first four multiples, and straightforward we can just write 4 here and minus 3996 and perform subtraction. So this is gonna be 6 and 1 here, 4 and 5, so 9, and we need to carry another 1 here, so 16 minus 9 is 7, and this is again we need to carry 1 here. It's gonna be 179 as a remainder because this is 0. Now we need to bring the 8 down, so if we look at our table, multiples, here we need to write a 1 here. So now we need to subtract 999 again, and this is 8, 9, 8 minus 9 we cannot, so we need to carry 1 from here, so 18 minus 9 is 9. Again we need to carry 1, so this is 7. Now here we have to bring the 2 down, so now we have 7992 divided by 999, and you can see a pattern here. So if you look at these numbers, all we have is let's take 4 times 999. What is 4 times 1000? It is equal to 4000, and all we're doing is just minusing 4. So here, if we notice this is just gonna be 8 times 999, which is 7992. And you can also just continue the multiples table until you reach 8, but I just saw this small trick here, and just, sometimes you just see it, and the final answer is 418, and we can just show the workings and just minus this 0, and yeah, so 418 is the final answer.